Hey guys, hey beautiful gems, hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. In today's video I will be achieving this cute little hairstyle under 10 minutes. So if you're interested, go ahead and please keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on bell notifications for more videos like this one. I post a video every day and we're posting it every day until Christmas. As you guys can see, the wig is off. It's time to let my hair breathe, get some because she's been under this wig for the past 2 weeks since I did my big wash. We're gonna be doing a cute little hairstyle. It is indeed Vlogmas day 14. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and take off Mr. Snowman here. Then we're gonna take off my wave cap because she needs to come off. What? Let's go ahead and take her out. I also have been letting my nails breathe for a while. So here are my little fatties. I remember when I was a child, my hair used to be twisted up in big braids like this. And that used to be the style. I'm not talking about, oh, okay, your parents are detangling your hair and then they got busy and then it was just like this. No, these for me used to be braids. She's giving a little dry. So we're just gonna go ahead and just moisturize her a little bit. Now I'm probably gonna keep her like that for like 3 days before I actually wash her again. If you guys wanna know what products I added to these products, make sure you guys watch my moisturizing video. It's literally gonna break down everything that I have in these products, okay? We're gonna create a hairstyle. We're gonna have a little bit of braiding, we're gonna have a little bit of So let's see what I can come up with, okay? Because honestly, I did not plan on doing anything to my hair except for moisturizing it, but for the sake of the video, I figured why not just do like a little cute hairstyle. I don't want to comb her through because when I apply this, I want it to just stretch it out, because if honestly I comb her through, she's gonna have shrinkage and I'm not trying to do that. She's already shrinking. Then I'm gonna proceed and go with my Blue Magic. So I'm gonna work on the back section because I think I want to do something in the front, maybe some braids or some twists going back, just as so, repeating the same process throughout the whole half back of my hair, and then I'll be back. This is what she's looking like. Curls are looking pretty healthy. She's very defined. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add another one down here, just to keep that part stretched out. Okay. So for easier parting with this comb, I'm just gonna divide my hair into half and just go ahead and straighten out this right here. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so here goes the line. Tie her down. And go ahead and just continue to do what I did in the back for the remaining hair that is left. This is what she looks like right now. Okay, now let's work up front because she needs some working on to do. I'm gonna do the same process. The only step that I'm gonna skip is this step until the very end. I was thinking about doing probably 8 braids or so going back. This is gonna be the middle. This one will be the first, this one will be the second, and then this one will be the third. Do this side and then I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so one side is complete and now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then we're gonna do this one together. So I know I said I was gonna come back and do the last braid with y'all, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. My grandma called me and I got distracted and I just kept on braiding. Here we are. This is the final braiding look right now. All the braids are braided. She's not even, she's not perfect, but that's okay. So the next step now is going to be moisturizing these ends the same way I did with the back, and then we're gonna see the final look. All right guys, so this is literally the final look. I went ahead and I just touched up my edges. Of course, she is gonna do a lot more shrinking. We'll see how she turns out in my next video when she's fully dried up. Go ahead and touch her up and put back on the snowman. Yay! This is how much breakage I've had. Who knows, it probably would have been more if I used a comb or a brush to really fully detangle it, but hey. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I post a new video, which will be every day until Christmas for this month. Thank you guys for watching. Until tomorrow. Bye.